Meet the first face of innovation, the anthropologist. Observers of human behavior in their natural habitats. Ever noticed how people navigate busy streets? Anthropologists seek out the why behind such actions, uncovering hidden insights. They venture beyond conventional settings, employing deep empathy to drive innovation through real-life interactions. Groundbreaking ideas often emerge from unexpected places, transforming unspoken needs into innovative solutions. Uncover the unnoticed. Dive deep into the human element and let empathy fuel your innovation. Understand the underlying emotions, behaviors, and cultural dynamics to drive decisions and innovations. Learn how to apply the anthropologist face of innovation. Discover new opportunities and tackle complex challenges. Shift from offering mere products or services to creating meaningful experiences that enrich lives. Join us. Register now and start seeing the world differently as an anthropologist innovator.